In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a use case diagram in Lucidchart. So whether you are on the mapping out systems functionality or into designing user interactions, this step-by-step guide will help you create a clear and professional diagram. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Lucidchart and already log in with your account. So in here, click this plus new button on the upper left corner and then choose the blank document. And wait for it to load up. So on the left side, you will see here the shapes, different shapes available here in Lucidchart. And so in here, you will see also some templates that Lucidcharts offer if you want a ready-made chart, but in this case we're going to use a blank chart and start from scratch. So just to give you all an example, I'm not a professional Gantt chart creator or designer, so yeah. So to enable UML shapes on the left panel, scroll down and then check the UML to enable the use case diagram shapes, and then click use selected shapes in there and then add them to your workspace. Now to add actors or users or systems, you can drag and drop the stick figure actors from the UML shapes in here. And after that, rename the actor by double-clicking and typing its role, for example, customer or admin, and then drag and drop oval shapes use cases like to represent actions users can perform, and then rename them based on system functions like place order or login. And then after that, click on the actor, then drag the blue dot connector to use case and repeat this for all actors use case relationships. And then after that, use the rectangle shapes to outline the system boundary and then place use cases inside the boundary to indicate system functionalities. And that's it. You can also customize and organize it. And once you're done, once you're satisfied with your diagram or with your chart, just simply click the save and export your diagram and then download. And that's it. That's how you create a use case diagram in Lucidchart. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.